I created the I'm Maniére 4, and I'm pretty sure you guys are like, wait, well, how did you do that, or how did you get that? So I'm going to be going over how I was able to create these and pretty much what these are and just other things like that. So if you guys want to see how I created this shoe, make sure you watch this video to the very end, and let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, so first things first, this is day number 4 for uploading a video every day on YouTube for 30 days. And today we are going to be talking about these cool little sneaker pots that I make / sneaker candles. Some of them I make into candles, some of them I make into just standard flower pots, or just nice little unique pencil pen holders. You can put your pencils and pens in there. And I just want to talk to you guys on how I started, or why I even thought of this idea. So first things first, if you don't know me already, I am a huge sneakerhead. I love my shoes. I'm pretty sure there are a lot of you guys out there that love your shoes. So that was the main reason why. That's one of the main reasons why I got started with the sneaker pots, because I love sneakers just like I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys do as well. First thing I did was I created my website, created some business cards. I came up with a cool, unique name, which the name is Concrete Soul. And from there, I just promoted a lot. I took a lot of videos. I recorded a lot of just different colorways that I painted. The first one that I painted that went viral was the Lost and Found that you probably can see right over there. Within 6 months, I grew my TikTok into 1,000 followers, and one of my videos is almost at 1 million views. Moral of the story is, if you just be consistent and stay consistent on what you're trying to do, you will get to a goal. You will get to whatever it is you're trying to get to. You just have to stay locked in and keep going. Don't think that things are going to just come to you without putting in the work, because it does not work like that. Now, there are some people that get lucky, and I call it lucky because it strictly is luck, and are able to just blow up and make a lot of money really fast. But a lot of times it takes a lot of work and a lot of dedication into doing what you like to do. So I just found something that I enjoy doing that had to do with sneakers, and I just kept doing it, and I've seen a lot of good feedback from it. So I just kept going. And that's what you have to do. No matter if it's creating a clothing brand, if it's anything, playing sports, you just have to stay locked in and be consistent. I'm going to try to go to some sneaker events, because I know there's a lot of people that have been reaching out to me about these. But that being said, guys, I don't want to bore you guys with just talking about everything. If you guys want to have a chance at winning one of these for free, just go to the website concretesoul.com and just enter in the giveaway. I will be doing one free giveaway for one of the pots here, okay? But yeah, so comment also what colorway you want me to paint next, and maybe we'll give that color to run away as well. But use things that are around you, also things that you are dedicated to and that you're interested in. Sometimes you just come up with the most unique things ever, and you never know what you could start from that. All right, so don't be afraid to just jump outside the box and look from within yourself and say, you know, what you can do to make some money. Or if it's not about making money, just stay consistent with whatever it is you want to do to accomplish your goal. All right, so that's it. I'm done rambling about everything. So that is it. That's all I have for you guys. If you watched the video to this far, make sure you guys go over to the website beconsistent.com, because we are going to be giving away a free hoodie for you guys. So don't forget to check out the website. All right, Scoofy here. Subscribe to the channel, invite your friends and family. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell. I will see you guys tomorrow for video number 5. All right, Scoofy here, and I'm out.